Hey everyone, this is a very quick video. I did a video a couple of weeks ago talking about if I was going to like reduce my collection, what would I keep and what I wouldn't. And I've been looking at my collection since, and I decided I would quite like to have my collection down to 10 bottles and get rid of everything that is over 10. So that's what I'm doing. I'm selling some on eBay, so if you want to buy some from me, you can buy some from my collection. They're on eBay now, and yeah, it's UK only. I can't ship these overseas. If you're in the UK and you wanna put a bid in, please make sure you only bid if you're serious and you actually want to have it and buy it and keep it for yourself. If you win it and decide you don't want it and don't pay, that's a problem. Only bid it if you're seriously interested and you actually want the fragrance and you're actually going to pay for it. I have bad experience on eBay sometimes with, you know, people that just waste your time. So if you genuinely want to get one of these, then they are on eBay. I'll go through which ones I'm going to sell. Kazimi, House of Matriarch. This is a 100ml bottle that was filled on, it was some, I can't remember if it was
that. Could you try again?
What to do. It was, I can't remember if it was done on an eclipse or something, but so usually these bottles are filled to this line here. It doesn't go all the way up to here like some people think. That's the fill line, and this bottle is about there. I did decant some. I sold a couple of decants to Rich Mitch. And then obviously the rest of it I've used. So there's a portion left. You'll be able to see it on the photograph. I'll put like a line of where the fill level is. There's a good amount there for. It's hard to estimate, to be honest. I'll try and work it out afterwards. I'll put the fill line on so you can see. You can bid on what is left. It's a 100ml bottle, so even like the little bit left is going to last you a while. This is a rose fragrance. If you want to check it out, I did a review on it. Rose, oud, wood, spices. It's very nice. I like it, but I want to reduce my collection down to 10. This one's going to go. This one I don't have a box for, so you're bidding on a bottle only. I'll make that very clear on the eBay listings. There's only 2 that I have a box for. And sometimes I just throw the boxes away if I felt like at the time that I was never going to sell them, then I just lob the boxes. So this one I didn't expect to sell. Now I'm feeling less attached to things. I want to get rid of it. So no box, just the bottle only. Next one is by Matriarch as well. It's called Devotion. This is a wonderful incense fragrance. Spicy, resinous, very, very good. But yeah, how much have I used of this one? Probably, hold on, let me see the light. About a little over 50% I've used, so it's just below the halfway line there. Maybe I've used about 55% of it. So yeah, there's the fill line. I'll put it on eBay. No box, just the bottle. I didn't keep the box. Next one is Fort Manley. This one is Fateh Salt Memid. I'm going to sell this one. This one, I have no idea how much is in it because you can't see through. It's completely black. I put a torch to it and you can't see through it. And I'm trying to do that. I'm trying to work out like where the hell is the fill, and I can't tell properly. To be honest, I would say it's about 50%. I think it's about half, but it's super difficult to tell. You can't see. You're trying to work it out by hearing it. You can't even really feel it. This is a bit tricky to like. I genuinely don't know. I mean, I could be. Maybe I'll go on the other side and say, well, okay, there's maybe 40% left, and then you're not disappointed. But it's very genuinely difficult to tell. Don't have the box for it. I lobbed it. Surprisingly, I thought I kept the box for this one, but I can't find it anywhere, so I guess I didn't. Bottle only. Very difficult to tell which is it. There's definitely at least 40% left. Difficult. I don't know how to do that one. Next one is Bogwai Bog Liter. I did a full review. This is super strong, smoky Smoky, caramelly, florally, a little bit vinyl-y, plasticky. The fill level, I've only used a little bit, I've only worn it a few times, so it is quite full. What size is that? That is a 50ml. So that comes with a box. Also going to sell Dior Homme Cologne. It just doesn't last very long on my skin and I won't miss it. I've got other fresh citrus fragrances. I bought it very recently. Unfortunately, I don't know what the hell I did with the box. I guess I threw it away. So this is bottle only. Obviously, you can see how much is in it. So if you want the rest of my Dior Homme Cologne, then feel free. Hopefully it goes to a good home. The next one is a fragrance that you literally cannot buy. This is by Matriarch. It's called Kephara. You can't buy it. She doesn't sell it. It's impossible to actually get hold of. She only gifts them to people if she wants to. And I have a full bottle. I'm going to sell this one for charity. Whatever money raised for this specific one, I will donate to a charity. I won't keep the money. The other ones are my own personal collection. I'll keep that for myself. This one was gifted to me, and I'm going to use the money to support a charity. I think I'm going to do... I'm not sure yet. There's two that I have in mind. One is a dog charity helping dogs, and another one is a charity for helping kids with cancer in Nepal. I think I might do the cancer one because I'm always supporting animals and I don't really help people as much. Yeah, I'll give the money to the charity that raises, helps kids with cancer in Nepal. I heard about it through a YouTube channel I'm subscribed to. He's called Harold. He does like blogging things. He goes all over the world. He's in Nepal at the moment. His last video was there. I'll leave a link to his video if you're interested, and to the charity link for what I'll be donating this to. So whatever's money is raised from this will go to charity. So yeah, Kephara, it was buried underground in her garden for a month, for 28 days. The notes says Spice Queen, terpenes, black coffee, sand, ginger, coffin wood, cannabis, benzoin, papyrus, royal incense blend, desert musk, Africa stone, balsam, gurjan, rose, and funerary spices. So yeah, basically you'll get one travel spray, which I think is a 15ml. So you get a travel spray like that, 15ml, and I've sprayed that I think once or twice, and that's it. So it's basically full. I did spray that one just to see what it smells like. And you'll get this, a full bottle. I have literally never sprayed it. This bottle is unsprayed, it's 100% full. It's not even like sprayed once. So you'll get the full bottle, that's what it looks like. It's got a scarab beetle ring around the collar that you can wear on your hand if you want, or keep it on the collar, it's up to you. Again, never worn it, never sprayed it. So you can win a full 50ml bottle of Kephara. Again, you can't buy this. She doesn't sell it at all. I don't think she even gives them away, at least very frequently. Very few people will have a bottle of this. So if you want an ultra rare fragrance that you cannot buy anywhere else, I will, whatever money it goes for, I will donate to the charity to help kids in Nepal suffering with cancer. I think it's a great cause. I'm sure Christy won't mind helping such a great charity out. So it seems a shame to hold on to things that that can be used to help other people. So I'd rather pass it on to someone that can wear it and enjoy it, and the money can help kids with cancer. I think that's beautiful. So thank you everyone. That's it. If links are in the description, check them out if you want to. I'll see you soon with some more videos next week. Take care everyone.